All right, class is in session. Welcome to the most dramatic homeroom in science, a classroom of 20 amino acids, each with a personality wilder than your group chat on a Friday night. Even though there are only 20 amino acids, they form endless combinations to build all your proteins, like Lego bricks with different shapes and sizes. To make sense of them, we sort them by side chain behavior. Are they charged? Do they love water? Can they form bonds? It's like organizing classmates by hobbies, drama levels, and friend groups. When I say side chain, I just mean the part of the amino acid that changes between each one, like a student's personality. And the charge is just whether the side chain acts positive, negative, or neutral in water. Polarity is whether it likes water and is polar, or avoids it and is nonpolar. Time for the first major split. Team water versus team nah, I'm good. Nonpolar amino acids are hydrophobic. They avoid water like an awkward X. Polar ones are hydrophilic. They run toward water like it's free Wi-Fi. Nonpolar group 1, the alkyl kids. These side chains are made mostly of carbon and hydrogen, simple, stable, and not too flashy. Think of them like the quiet jocks, solid, dependable, not looking for drama. That's valine, leucine, isoleucine, alanine, and methionine, always sticking to the basics. Glycine, she's the tiniest in class, just a single hydrogen on her side chain, minimalist vibes. And proline, he's the rebel. His side chain loops back and bonds to his own backbone, messing with the usual structure, definitely not following the rules. Next up in the nonpolar crew, the aromatic kids. Phenylalanine and tryptophan. You'd think aromatic means they smell like cinnamon or vanilla, right? Not quite. In this classroom, aromatic isn't about cologne. It's chemistry lingo for students with special ring-shaped side chains. These rings make them super stable and even able to absorb UV light. So yeah, they don't smell fancy, but they definitely act fancy, wearing all those rings all the time. So nonpolar phenylalanine and tryptophan, they're the artsy kids. Quiet, mysterious, probably into poetry. Still hydrophobic though. Don't expect them to hang at the water fountain. Now meet the emotional water lovers, the polar but uncharged side chains. They're like the friendly, drama-free classmates who don't carry a charge, but are great at making connections. Kind of like passing notes or sharing secret handshakes that keep the group tight. This crew, serine, threonine, asparagine, glutamine, cysteine, and tyrosine, are the social butterflies of the protein world. They form hydrogen bonds, which are like those subtle but important friendships that help the protein fold just right. Weak but important attraction between molecules. Cysteine is the special one. It can make sulfur-sulfur bridges, like pinky promises that lock parts of the protein together, keeping everything stable when things get intense. Now say hello to the acidic duo, aspartic acid and glutamic acid. These two are always giving, so much so they even give away a proton. That generosity leaves them with a negative charge, not emotionally, but chemically. Think of them as the drama-free friends who stay calm and grounded, perfect for balancing out their more intense, basic classmates. Time to talk about the basic trio: histidine, lysine, and arginine. These three are like the upbeat, high-energy classmates who are always ready to help. Why? Because their side chains are full of nitrogen atoms that love to grab on the protons. In chemistry, that proton-grabbing habit makes them basic. Not basic like plain, but basic like generous hosts who want to take in protons and end up carrying a positive charge. They're essential in balancing out their acidic classmates who carry negative charges. It's like pairing calm and chaos in a lab partner. Together, they keep things stable. Each one has its own style. Lysine is dependable with a strong arm that always ends in a positive grip. Arginine is the super positively charged one, basically the overpowered hugger of the group. And histidine, he's the adaptable one. His side chain can switch between neutral and positive depending on the pH around him. It's like he senses the vibe of the room and adjusts, perfect for roles where timing and sensitivity matter, like enzyme reactions. Let's run it back. The amino acid has 5 cliques: nonpolar alkyl, carbon-hydrogen chillers. Then nonpolar aromatic, fancy ring lovers. Next, polar neutral, watery but calm. Then on to acidic, emo kids bringing the charge down. Basic, the hype crew, balancing things out. They shape how proteins fold, function, and flex in your cells. So, why care about amino acid personalities? Because they determine how proteins fold, how enzymes work, how muscles contract, how you exist. Think of amino acids as the alphabet of life. And this was just the grammar lesson. Like, subscribe, and drop your amino acid alter ego in the comments. Are you the social lysine or mysterious tryptophan? Thanks for watching.